Hi, this video will walk you through the process of management instrument calibration and maintenance data, an important requirement for ISO/IEC 17025:2017 regulatory compliance. The first step is to configure new equipment or its component. To configure, go to the application setting and then to form configurations. Now go to the instrument calibration and maintenance. To add a new type of equipment, press Add. In the Add a New Type window, select either instrument or component, enter a type name and the equipment ID prefix. Press Add, press Set as Default to set the new type as default. Now switch to the Instrument Calibration and Maintenance module. To add equipment, select a type from the drop-down menu and click Add Equipment. In the Add Equipment information window, you can add all information related to your experiment, such as the instrument name, last calibration date, next calibration date, last maintenance date, next maintenance date, etc. To associate one or more components with the equipment, press Browse and select a component type from the drop-down menu. Tick the component IDs to associate with the instrument and press Select. To receive timely alerts, specify the numbers of days prior to the calibration or maintenance due date before you would like to receive reminders. Press Save to save the information. You can now view the alerts by going to the Home module and then switching to the Alerts tab. Thank you for watching. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call +1 302 789 0447. Thank you.